Crash course on Sweden. An overview. Geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Welcome to Sweden, a breathtaking land of stunning natural landscapes and endless outdoor adventures. Let's explore the unique geographical features, national parks, and thrilling activities that await you in this beautiful country. Prepare to be excited. Sweden is located in northern Europe, sharing borders with Norway and Finland, and is connected to Denmark via the Öresund Bridge. Its geolocation makes it a land of diverse landscapes, from dense forests and vast lakes to rugged mountains and picturesque coastline. The country's unique geographical feature is the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, visible in the northern parts of Sweden. This natural phenomenon is a mesmerizing display of colorful lights dancing across the night sky, captivating all who witness it. Sweden boasts an abundance of national parks, providing nature enthusiasts with endless opportunities for exploration. One such gem is Abisko National Park, where visitors can witness the awe-inspiring midnight sun during the summer and the magical northern lights during the winter. Outdoor adventures in Sweden are aplenty, making it a playground for thrill seekers. From hiking and biking in the scenic countryside to canoeing and kayaking along peaceful lakes and rivers, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Now, let me share some interesting stories to further excite you. Legend has it that in Sweden, there's a lake called Lake Storsjön, believed to be the dwelling place of a mysterious creature known as Storsjudere or the Great Lake Monster. Witnesses have described the creature as a serpent-like being, making it a fascinating tale of folklore and intrigue. In the northernmost region of Sweden, the indigenous Sami people have a tradition called joiking. Joiks are traditional songs that tell stories of nature, animals, and people. The haunting melodies and deep cultural significance of joiking have been passed down through generations, preserving the Samis' rich heritage. Now, let's dive into the top 12 attractions of Sweden. 1. Stockholm, the capital city, a blend of modernity and history. 2. Abisko National Park, a haven for northern lights and Arctic wildlife. 3. Gothenburg, a vibrant coastal city known for its maritime history. 4. Swedish Lapland, a winter wonderland and home to the Sami culture. 5. Vasa Museum, showcasing the Vasa ship, a historical maritime artifact. 6. Drottningholm Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and royal residence. 7. Kiruna, a gateway to Arctic adventures and ice hotel experience. 8. Skane, a region known for its beautiful countryside and castles. 9. Visby, a medieval town on the island of Gotland with historic charm. 10. Jokkmokk Winter Market, a traditional Sami market with cultural displays. 11. Ice Hotel, an iconic hotel made entirely of ice and snow in Jukkasjärvi. 12. Sarek National Park, a rugged wilderness for experienced hikers and adventurers. Summary. Sweden, a land of diverse landscapes and geographical wonders, offers an array of outdoor activities and cultural experiences. From the mystical northern lights to the rich traditions of the Sami people, every corner of this country is filled with beauty and enchantment. Explore the national parks, immerse yourself in the cultural heritage, and indulge in thrilling outdoor adventures for an unforgettable journey through Sweden. Poem. In Sweden's embrace, nature's art. A land of wonders, a work of heart. From Abisko's lights, a dance on high, to Lapland's tales, where legends lie. Stockholm's charm, a city grand. Gothenburg's shores, where sea meets land. Vasa Museum, history's pride. Drottningholm, regal, by waterside. In Kiruna's cold, an Arctic quest. Skane's castles, a dream to nest. Visby's cobbles, stories of old. Jokkmokk Market, culture unfold. Ice Hotel's splendor, icebound delight. Sarek's wilderness, majestic height. In Sweden's realm, a treasure trove. A land of magic and nature's love. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. Booking.com referral link. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.